Starting a new business is an incredible journey, but finding the capital to fund it can feel like climbing a mountain with no gear. Many new entrepreneurs hit a massive wall when they realize that traditional banks want to see a long-established credit history before they hand over a corporate credit card. If you just registered your limited liability company or started your sole proprietorship, you probably have a blank slate. Having no credit history is sometimes just as difficult as having bad credit, because banks are terrified of the unknown. They want a track record. They want data. They want to know that you are a safe bet before they issue an unsecured line of credit. This is exactly where secured business credit cards become your most valuable tool. In this detailed presentation, we are going to break down the top 5 secured business credit cards available in the year 2026. These specific financial instruments are designed precisely for founders who have zero commercial credit history. We will look at the deposit requirements and the reward structures and the path to graduating to an unsecured card later on. A secured card requires you to put down a cash deposit, which acts as your credit limit. If you deposit $2,000, you get a card with the $2,000 limit. This removes the risk for the bank, which means they do not care if your credit profile is completely empty. It is the perfect bridge to cross the gap between a brand new business and a fully funded enterprise. The first card we need to examine closely is the Bank of America Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards Secured Card. Bank of America has historically been one of the most reliable institutions for small business owners who are starting from scratch. They understand that a lack of history does not mean a lack of potential. To get started with this card, you will need to open a business checking account with them and provide a minimum secured deposit of $1,000. You can deposit much more if you need a higher spending limit. What makes this card truly exceptional for a secured product is that it actually offers a solid rewards program. You earn a flat 1.5% cash back on every single purchase you make for your business. Most secured cards offer absolutely zero rewards, so earning cash back while you build your foundation is a massive advantage. Bank of America also provides excellent online account management tools that help you track your expenses and prepare for tax season. The most important feature of this card is their graduation process. Bank of America will automatically review your account performance periodically. If you show a pattern of paying your bills on time and managing your balance responsibly, they will eventually transition your account to an unsecured card and return your initial security deposit. This gives you a clear and defined path to traditional credit. Moving to the second position, we have the OpenSky Business Secured Visa Card. OpenSky is legendary in the credit building space because they have a fundamentally different approach to approvals. They do not pull your credit report at all. There is absolutely no credit check involved in their application process. This makes it the ultimate fallback option if you have been denied everywhere else, or if you simply refuse to let anyone look at your personal financial history. Your approval is dictated entirely by your ability to fund the security deposit. You can open an account with a deposit as low as a few $100s or go up to several thousand. The OpenSky Business Card reports your payment activity to the major commercial credit bureaus. This is the entire point of getting a secured card. Every time you buy office supplies or pay for web hosting, you are generating positive data points on your commercial credit profile. While it does not offer a fancy cash back program, its sheer accessibility makes it a crucial tool for founders who need to establish a baseline. You pay a small annual fee for the privilege of using their system, but the long-term value of building an ironclad credit score far outweighs that initial cost. The third card on our list brings a touch of premium rewards to the secured card market. It is the US Bank Business Altitude Go Secured Card. US Bank recognized that modern businesses spend their money differently, and they created a secured product that rewards those specific habits. To get this card, you must fund a security deposit, and the credit limit will match that deposit exactly. Once you are approved, you unlock a very unique points earning structure. You earn significant points on dining and restaurant purchases, which is great if you take clients out for meals. You also earn elevated points on monthly software subscriptions. In 2026, almost every business relies on cloud software and digital tools. Earning rewards on your constant digital overhead is a brilliant way to recoup some of your operational costs. US Bank is a massive national institution, and building a relationship with them early in your business journey is very strategic. They report to the major business credit bureaus, ensuring your good habits are permanently recorded. Just like Bank of America, they have a system in place to monitor your progress and eventually graduate you to their highly lucrative unsecured altitude cards when your business proves its stability. Next, we must discuss the First National Bank of Omaha Business Secured Visa Card, which takes the fourth spot on our list. First National Bank of Omaha is highly respected in the commercial banking sector. Their secured card is tailored for business owners who might have a decent amount of starting capital, but absolutely no credit history to secure a traditional line. They allow you to place a security deposit anywhere from $2,000 all the way up to $100,000. This massive upper limit is incredibly rare in the secured card world. If you are starting a business that requires purchasing heavy equipment or bulk inventory, you need a card with high limits to facilitate those transactions. By depositing a large sum, you give yourself the purchasing power of a major corporate card while simultaneously building your pristine credit profile. They offer a point-based rewards program that gives you a return on your spending. The customer service at this institution is widely praised for being highly personal and responsive. They want to see your business grow, and they provide the reporting to the credit bureaus necessary to make that happen. This card is an absolute powerhouse for well-capitalized startups that just need a formalized credit instrument to operate efficiently. Our fifth recommendation is a slightly different route that many entrepreneurs overlook. It is the Valley Strong Credit Union Business Secured Visa. Credit unions operate under a completely different philosophy than major national banks.